Hi guys, this is another new way to style your shirt with just your tube. Style your shirt with your tube. Let's go. So get a short tube in the color of your choice, depending the one that will match the shirt you're wearing, and then wear it on top your shirt. You can wear it up like this. Look at how beautiful it looks. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. That's very beautiful. Let's see the back. Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So let's bring it down. We're going to bring it down a little to the tummy and let's see how it will fit. Now let's bring it down to the tummy and see how it is going to fit. Well, still looking great. Looking good already. Just have to adjust a little. Adjust very well. See how it is. And we have to pull to the up a little bit to give it that fit. That corset fit. Um, yeah, yeah, it's okay. Very nice and beautiful. And let's try to shorten it. Let's try to make it look like a tummy belt. Yeah, wow, that's very, very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. It's okay. You just need to adjust it very well. You are just using it in place of the corset or your little bed. So it's an alternative. So you need to adjust it very well. Oh wow, it's perfect. Perfect. Yeah, it looks good. So let me know the style that you like. Let me know. Wow, that was interesting. So now you can style your shirt and make a tummy belt just with your tube. Let me know if you're going to try out this hack. Bye.